Yeah, and that's why the course business is so wonderful. I mean, we've made hundreds of thousands of dollars just selling courses as well. And the market is not saturated yet because people always want help.
Yes.
They want solution, right? So if you have a knowledge or expertise or something that can help somebody, maybe make more money, get healthier, lose weight, dance better, laugh more,
cook better.
It doesn't matter what your topic is. I mean, there's tons of topics you can teach on, right? So you just take that knowledge, put a camera to your name, or it could be PDF course or audio course. It doesn't matter what format, right? The online course business is an easy one-person business that you can start today and literally start making money the same day. Hello, welcome the New Rich Nation family. Welcome to another episode of the New Rich Podcast, the number one podcast for entrepreneurs and creators, where we help you build financial freedom so you can live the life that you desire. If you are here for the first time, so we want you to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel because we bring so much information pretty much every day of the week to you that will help you to start, grow a successful business so you can live the life of your dream and make impact. I am Uyi Abraham. I am the host of the show, and yes, my co-host,
Dr. Faith Abraham. Hello, New Rich Nation. Welcome back.
Welcome back. So we just started by talking about our day or our week went. So how was your day? How was your week?
Week, awesome. I realized I used to say I am booked, busy, and blessed, like all the time. This is what I would say. And now I am booked, busy, always been blessed, but I am definitely booked and I am definitely busy. And I think it's funny. I was talking about it with our daughter, how much everyone literally has to pull out their phone. Okay, what do you have? What do you have? What do you have? We have to schedule ourselves around each other. And I didn't envision that when I was saying I'm booked, busy, and blessed. But that's what it's been. So I just think it's funny how our words have so much power. So this week I've been realizing that I need to watch what I say. How about you? How was your week?
Yeah, my week has been busy too. Great time to be alive and working on some great things that's coming up soon for the business, which we're going to be sharing soon in some other episodes. But this is going to be a quick one, and it's going to be a good one as well. So we're going to be talking about how to start a one-person business.
One-man band.
Yes, because a lot of people are really kind of worried and scared about starting a business because they feel like they have to have payroll and employees and all of the office and all these cute things that people do have when the business grows. And so we felt like we should do this episode to kind of show people one or two businesses that literally you don't need an employee, you don't need an office, you can run anywhere as long as you have a laptop and Wi-Fi, right?
Yes.
So we're going to be talking about a one-person business. And that's how we start our businesses too.
Yes.
Because today now we have, employees, probably 50, 60 people all over the world that works for us, but we didn't start like that.
No.
We started as a one-person business, right? So that's what we're going to talk about today. So what do you think about the concept first of a one-person business before we share what that one-person business could look like that somebody can start today?
Well, I with my coaching clients, I usually get people who that's their mindset is when you say business, they're thinking Apple, they're thinking Coca-Cola, these big corporations that are present everywhere. And I'm like, yeah, that's good if that's what you want. But you do know and realize that you can make millions of dollars, break generational curses, have financial freedom, take care of yourself and your kids, travel, come back from vacation, not be broke and still able to pay bills on automation with a business that you run. No employees. And they're always shocked by that. So I realized that our concept of business can be different. And I even had a client and that was his goal. Like when he signed up, he was like, look, I'm a loner.
Yeah.
I'm an introvert. not really interested in having to delegate and call this person, that person, that person. I'm like, yeah, sure, I get it. But I want to make a lot of money.
Yeah.
Sure, you absolutely can. So I always let people know you just have to be willing to shift the construct that you have in your mind about business, and then you can create a business that feeds you and that works with how you're wired. And if that means that's a one-man band, then let's one-man band it. And you know, when you think about it, I don't know if you're familiar with this concept. When someone says a one-man band, they have like a drum set, they have a harmonica, they have a they have all these different instruments, and that one man, that one person can do all those instruments and make a beautiful sound of music.
Yeah.
So I love those kind of businesses, honestly. I think they really speak to a certain type of person, and especially if you can scale it to multi-millions, which you can.
Yeah.
I know a couple of businesses that you probably are not aware of that New Rich Nation, you may not be aware of, that are out there. And they are one-man bands.
Yeah, they are. And that's one reason I want to do this episode for our New Rich Nation as well, because the thing is that the internet is a game changer. The internet and social media too.
Oh, for sure.
The internet and social media have really changed the landscape. Has made it so easy now that anybody, anywhere will be able to start a successful 6, 7, 8-figure online business as a one-person business, right?
Exactly.
And that's what we're going to be talking about today. Because right now, as long as you have Wi-Fi and 1 or 2 social media and you have something to offer, you can literally run a multi-million-dollar business without no employees, right? And there are several one-person businesses that anybody can start. But let's talk about our favorite one, okay? And maybe we can, if you like this episode and you want us to share some other one-person business ideas that you can start, let us know in the comment. And if we see enough people make comment, then we're going to do some more videos on the different types of one-person businesses that you can start. But one of our favorite is courses.
Yes.
Right? So with a course, you don't need employees, you don't need office space, you don't need all this spending or whatever, right? You just need to take your knowledge, your experience, your passion, your expertise, and package it into some form of online course, right? And then you just deliver it to your audience.
Correct.
And who does the delivery for you? You get a software like Vonza, right? So Vonza, an all-in-one platform that allows you to create courses on digital products. So you put your course on Vonza, right? And all you have to do is just tell your audience that, hey, here's my course, here's the link for my course, go ahead and buy my course, right? And one of the things we love about the course one-person business too is that you only do the work one time.
That's right.
Right? It's like you build the business one time. You don't have to keep working on it. You build it one time, you put it on your course platform like Vonza.com, and then that's all the work you do. And then you just open it up for people to buy it, right?
Absolutely. And the sweet part about courses is there's no overhead.
Yeah.
You don't have employees. You're just paying yourself. And if you are down for the cause, you can literally, the money that's coming in from your course, 100% completely reinvest it back into the business and scale it with ads. And there's also different platforms that are already created that have consistent audiences, like Udemy and Coursera, where you can put your course on there and they have people who are constantly looking up different courses and programs that they can take to learn knowledge, a skill set, or gain education on something. They find you there, and when they click on it so they can purchase your course, that your course is already set up, running on automation through your Vonza platform, and you're generating income. So using those channels, those distribution channels that are already there to leverage your exposure to your course and the product that or the service that you're offering.
Hey, I'm Uyi Abraham. I came to America with only $100 and a suitcase of clothes, and I created Vonza.com to make it easy and simple for online coaches, entrepreneurs like you to run your business online. Before Vonza, it was so difficult to run a business online because you have to use so many different tools and try to tie them all together. I was so frustrated and decided I wanted to create a platform, a one-stop shop to make it easy and simple for anyone with a dream or with an expertise or a knowledge to create or sell online to run their business online. Vonza allows you to create your online courses, your memberships, build a website, scheduling funnels. It gives you every tool you need so you don't have to be tying tools together, spending time and money, so you can just focus on running your business online. Go to vonza.com today and start your free trial. It's the best all-in-one platform for online courses, memberships, and to run your business online. Go to vonza.com. I'll see you there. Yeah, and that's why the course business is so wonderful. I mean, we've made hundreds of thousands of dollars just selling courses as well. And the market is not saturated yet because people always want help.
Yes.
They want solution, right? So if you have a knowledge or expertise or something that can help somebody, maybe make more money, get healthier, lose weight, dance better, laugh more,
cook better.
It doesn't matter what your topic is. I mean, there's tons of topics you can teach on, right? So you just take that knowledge, put a camera to your name, or it could be a PDF course or audio course. It doesn't matter what format, right? The online course business is an easy one-person business that you can start today and literally start making money the same day.
Can I name drop somebody? For those of you who may not, you need a visual of this. Danielle Leslie, shout out to Denny. She has generated millions of dollars from one course.
Yeah.
So it wasn't like she was doing all these different courses and all the money coming in and all the ebooks and all that. No.
Yeah.
It was one course. And she made millions of dollars off of that course. It wasn't until she hit I think it was like $500,000 that she was like, okay, if I'm going to scale this, I'm going to need to add someone. Right. But her team is maybe less than 10 people for that course that has generated millions and millions of dollars. Yeah. And all she's really done is just tweaked it, do webinars, scheduled webinars, and that course has proven itself and proven the test of time. But it was a certain point, and because she wanted to grow it to a different level, that she even added anyone to the mix. Yeah. So if she wanted, and she was okay with staying at a certain revenue amount, she wouldn't even have to add anyone. Wow.
That's really good. So this is the confirmation you need out there if you're thinking about what kind of business to start that doesn't require employees or require this overhead. You need to start a course business, right? And there are some steps that will help you to, start that course business. And it's really simple. Again, the main thing is just not to overthink it, because people always kind of belittle the ideas of expertise or knowledge that they have. They feel like nobody's going to pay for it. How would you know nobody's going to pay for it until you put it out there, right? So sometimes one way to test it is to put it out there, put your MVP, minimum viable product, out there, and pre-sell it and see if people want it or not. If they don't get it, they don't want it, then switch it around until you provide and produce what people really want. So the easiest business to start this year that is a one-person business is your online course.
Love it. And like you said, you have a number of online courses before we even went into tech or SaaS or anything like that. And nevertheless, there are SaaS companies, software as a service companies that are run by one person. Yeah. And what they do is they leverage automation. They leverage. And so just a couple that come to the top of my head, even if you're talking about social media marketing, if you're talking about even there's some of the AI platforms that you're aware of, it's a coder, someone who knows coding, who created code, and now that software pops out whatever the information is that's needed and necessary, right? Also, too, one of the things that we did was Turo, where we rented out our cars.
Yeah.
We didn't have any employees. We were our own employees.
Yeah.
So we were renting out the
And
cars.
we did 6 figures.
Yes, we did.
In a year.
And we had a good time driving a new car
Every other day, right?
the other day. And we would pull up and they're like, it's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's fine. And it felt good. So we did that for some time. And that was just 2-man band, basically.
Yeah.
So that was a good one. Also, too, e-commerce is a big one where you can literally sell products to
Or
people.
even drop ship.
Oh my goodness. Drop shipping is a whole nother thing within itself, right? But the point is, it's you. And you don't have to hire anyone until you're ready, if at all.
Yeah.
And there's a young lady, she's popular on YouTube, Baddie in Business, I think is her name.
Okay.
Shout out to her. But she shows a lot of people how to go viral with their products on certain social media platforms to drive that traffic to now drive those sales. But it's just her. And all she does is her YouTube videos and her, she's on TikTok. So she used TikTok to drive the virality, to drive the sales for her business. And do you know what she sells?
What does she say?
It's not even a necessity.
Wow.
I'm telling you, it's not even a necessity. Like keychains, Squishmallows. I don't know if y'all know those. My daughter is obsessed, and our nieces too. Squishmallows, just little, just trinkets, scotchkeys. I didn't say it right, but you know what I'm talking about. That's what she sells, and they're really cute. Granted, but that she's making a great living. She's making 6 figures easily. And sometimes she makes that in a month, just depending on how viral her videos go. And the price point is great where people just buy those little shot skis and they love it and they tell their friends about it. And she just keeps going that way. But again, it's just her at her house. She gets the stuff, delivered to her house and then she ships it out. But then, of course, you have the drop shipping angle where you don't have any product to deal with at all. You just deal with the wholesaler who now ships the stuff out to your customer. And you can make a really great living just doing that. Awesome.
So let's wrap up this episode, right, on one-person business you can start today. So we're giving you so much information, New Rich Nation. So go ahead and use one and launch your one-person business today, and don't worry about all this other stuff going on that you might need as your business grows. Just start it. Just find an easy one-person business to start, whether it's a course, e-commerce, drop shipping, social media automation. There's so many ones you can do, but just find the one that works best for you. And until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with 5 other people that will gain something from it. So we'll see you in the next episode.
See you in the next episode, New Rich Nation.